Guys, this is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe. Customer got a 14-inch screen, and he usually actually an OEM that he got was a 4-inch. Actually 4, 7, 8-inch, they all the same. You can order from the company. Problem is, I've been spending a good 4 hours, guys, 4 hours trying to figure out why the hell when I play the Bluetooth or play YouTube, whatever, there's no sound. So I have a solution for you. I mean, this gonna be kind of, I cannot just release this to everyone because I spent a good 4 hours trying to figure out why I got no sound. So I mean, now I got sound. I basically go to Bluetooth and I can literally play sound right now with any music. Well, since I'm doing a video, it won't work, but it does work. It's got sound, and I have a way to do it. It was simple, but hey, 4 hours trying to figure it out, and I'm looking at all the manual and everything from, this is Curry Navi, Curry or whatever from China. And I went to their website. I will share your link how to install it here. They did a good job in installing, but they don't show you how to use it. How the hell you gonna spend $1,200 and you don't know how to get the sound to work? I mean, I literally got almost, I almost say, hey, screw it, customer can take it back and send it back. But you know me, I like exploring things. I do what I can until I ran out of option. So I got it to work, and I'm sorry, you're gonna have to be a member to be able to ask me question about how to do it. I'm gonna share it only for members only, and members only is only cost $2 a month, and basically you can do it 2 month or month. You can cancel it, so basically you're gonna give me only $2, or you can go below a link and just send me, buy me a coffee, you know, $2 and what, 60 cents at Starbucks. Oh no, I don't like Starbucks. So I like oh my god, Tim Horton. That's my favorite Tim Horton. You know, that's 260 in Ohio, guys. So if you send me that, I'll share you my link, and it's gonna be only you that be able to see it. Well, sorry, thanks for watching, but I mean, that's all I can tell you, and I will show you how to do it.